Hello and welcome to Full of Food. If like us you're obsessed with Sriracha, you have to give these Sriracha chicken strips a go. Coated in cornflakes, flavoured with paprika and onion powder, they're so tasty it's insane. We use the Ninja Dual air fryer, but any air fryer will do. Full ingredients list in the description. Okay, so on to the ingredients. We've just got some chicken strips here. I just got some chicken breasts and sliced them into strips. Some cornflakes, just cheap ones there from the supermarket. Then we've got an egg and some salt, just some black pepper. We're going to use that to season. Then I've got some paprika. I've got some onion granules. Now these add a really lovely taste to the coating on the outside of the chicken. I've got some Sriracha here. You could use any Sriracha, that's just the brand that I like. And then I've got some good old Fry Light. And as I said, we've got salt, but we've got some mayonnaise there. We're going to mix with the Sriracha to make a lovely dip. So moving on, we're going to get our cornflakes and we're going to crumble them up. So you want to get these fine enough that they're going to make a crispy coating on the outside, but not too fine that they go too powdery. So once we've done that, we're going to add our paprika, and we're going to add those lovely onion granules. So a little bit of salt and pepper in there as well, and just give that a mix round, and we've got a lovely seasoned coating ready to go. So next step, I'm going to get my egg, and you just want to give this a gentle whisk. We're just going to use this to coat the chicken so that those lovely crumbs stick to the outside. So here's a top tip to make these really Moorish. What I like to do is get my Sriracha and then coat my chicken in that before I put the egg and the lovely seasoned crumbs on the top. So coat your chicken, and then top tip, one hand for meat, one hand don't touch meat. Makes life a lot simpler. So grab your chicken, put it into that lovely egg, and then we're going to pop that into the cornflakes, coat it really nicely. Look at that golden coating on the outside. Pop it into the air fryer. It's that simple, just getting your lovely piece of chicken into the egg to make it wet and then coated in those lovely crumbs. So we want to carry on doing that until our air fryer is full, and then we want to air fry for 200 degrees for about 10 to 12 minutes. Keep checking them towards the end, and you'll want to flip these over halfway through. So while that's cooking, I'm going to make a lovely Sriracha mayonnaise. So I've got a mayonnaise and Sriracha, about 2 parts mayonnaise to 1 Sriracha. Look at that beautiful dipping sauce. So, oh, look at that. Lovely, lovely chicken strips. Look how crispy that outside is. Absolutely beautiful. So what we need to do is we need to plate up our chicken strips. So just get them out your air fryer and put them in. Then put a lovely bit of garnish. I like some fresh chilli and spring onion, and drizzle that beautiful sauce over the top. You can use it to dip them in, but I also like to drizzle it over the top. Look at that beautiful chicken strips, Sriracha inside and Sriracha in that mayonnaise.